So good morning everyone. Today we are going to do comparative statements of profit and loss. Previously we have done comparative balance sheet and today we will do comparative statement of profit and loss. The only difference between the balance sheet and profit and loss is the particulars. The only particulars are different, rest everything is same. The method of calculation is totally same. The only difference is in the particulars. We have to start with revenue from operations. But this is the another name of sale. Whatever we have sold from our business, that is revenue from operation. And we always earn, sometimes we earn other incomes also. Suppose we are having a showroom of furniture. So whatever the amount we are receiving by selling the furniture, that is revenue from operation. And suppose we have given on rent our one property to someone, and from there we are receiving rent. That is another income. That is another income. So we will start with revenue from operation plus other income. Two type of incomes are there, bache. One is the sales. We are doing operations of business. Whatever business we are having, sale is called revenue from operation. Business income is called revenue from operation. Other sources income will be called other incomes. So it will become total revenue. This is bache total revenue. First part of the question. First of all, we have to calculate the revenue from operation, sales, it will be given. Then we have to add the other incomes. It will become total revenue. Now we have to deduct expenses from the revenue. There can be a lot of expenses like cost of material, purchase of stock, then change in inventory, employees benefit expenses. Whatever bache we are spending, that will be your expenses, and you have to do the total expenses. That will be the second part of the question. First we have calculated the total income. Revenue from operation is the business income, sales, and other income from any other source, we will add that. Total whatever we are receiving, that will be our total revenue. Then we will total up the expenses, and this will be the total expenses. Now how we will calculate the profit? Profit before tax. 1 minus 2 means out of total revenue you will deduct total expenses, then it will be your profit before tax. Out of total revenue you will deduct total expenses, that will be your profit before tax. Now you have to deduct tax, and that will be your profit after tax. Profit after tax. This is your final answer. It is so easy. First of all, we have to calculate, we have to take the sales, revenue from operation, the income of the business. Then we have to add other incomes. If it is given in the question, then it will become total income, total revenue. Then we will take all the expenses and we will do the total of expenses. Then from the total of revenue, we will subtract the total of expenses. It will become profit before tax. And when we will deduct the tax, we will get profit after tax. So have a look on illustration number 4. Illustration number 4. Following particulars are related to statement of profit and loss of Assam Tree Limited for 2 consecutive years. So 2 years data is given to you. First year you will take 2018 as the first year and 2019 will be your current year. You have to write previous year first, bache. Revenue from operation is given 60 lakhs. It is given 60 lakhs and 75 lakhs for the second year. Then bache, other incomes are given 150 for this year. It will become 61 lakh 50,000 total revenue for 2018 120. So it will become 7620. Okay, bache. This is the total revenue. Sale was given, revenue from operation, and other income was also given. Now total expenses are given to you. Total expenses are given to you 44 lakhs and 50 lakh 60,000. Okay, bache, total expenses was given. Now deduct total expenses from total revenue. First minus second. You will get the profit before tax. You will get profit before tax. 17 lakh 50,000 and 25 lakh 60,000. Now, bache, tax rate are different for different years. On this, you will calculate 35%. 35% of 1750 will be 6,12,500. So after deducting, you will get this thing. Then 25, you have to deduct 40% on this value. 40% of this will be 1024. So after deducting this, you will get 15 lakh 36,000. Everything was given. You just have to put it in a proper sequence. For this, you should know what will be the particulars. So how to calculate the C part of this question? Similarly, B minus A, this is the formula. 75 minus 60, it will be 15 lakhs. 120 minus 150, it will be minus 30,000. Then 76,000 lakh 20,000 minus 6150, it will be 14 lakh 70,000. Then this minus this, it will be 660. 6 lakh 60,000. Then 8 lakh 10,000. 411500, and again you have to deduct this from this. It will be 3 lakh 98,500. Is it clear to you, bache? We just have subtracted A from B. B minus A was the C. Now we have to calculate percentage increase decrease. This was absolute increase decrease. This was the absolute change, whether it is increased or decreased. And now we will calculate the percentage increase decrease, and the formula will be C upon A into 100. 15 lakh divided by 60 lakh into 100. It will be 25 lakh, 25%. So 30,000 divided by 150, it will be minus 20%. 1470 divided by 61 lakh 50,000 into 100, 23.90%. C upon A into 100, it will be 15%. Then C upon A into 100, 46.29%. C upon A into 100, 67.18%. And last C upon A into 100, 35.03. This is the way we will calculate D. Calculation of these two columns are similar to that of comparative balance sheet. Only difference is in the particulars, bache. First of all, you have to write the revenue from operation, this income of this business, that is called sale. Other income you have to add, that will become total revenue. Then if expenses are given to you, you will take, if total is given, then it's okay. In this question, total was given. So deduct the total expenses from the total revenue. You will get profit before tax. Then you have to calculate the tax. But you have to remember, bache, कि you have to write the previous year data at first place and current year at second place, and it will be written in careful manner. You should be careful because the tax was here 35% and 40%. So you should be careful This was your comparative profit and loss.